Hi and welcome. Today I will show you how to quickly make scene navigation in Unity. Create empty game object. Name it game controller. Reset position. Add new C# script with the same name. Double-click to open code editor. I'm using Visual Studio. Let remove start and update function. Create new public function. Name it on click play button. Import Unity Engine Scene Management. Call load scene function. Put the exact name of your next scene. In my case is game scene. Make sure you are opening home scene. Go to File. Build Profile. In the scene list, add open scene. Now open the game scene. Build profile window. Add open scene. Now we have all scene added to the scene list. Find the button play inside canvas. Find the onClick property. Drag game controller object into it. For the function, choose onClick play button. Thank you for watching.